I'm Bhavyadeep.
I'm Ansh.
I'm Arpita. And I'm Samriti.
Today we are going to present a detailed comparison between chaise lounge chair and the Sussex chair by Eileen Gray and Charlotte Perriand. We are going to discuss all the aspects from structure, material, shape and user experience. These chairs remain a lot apart by their eras and yet they have so much in common like their shape and their structure, and also they have a form of S.
As you can see from the title, it says two approaches to form. So, by this presentation, we will try to understand how two different designers had a different approach to a similar form. And the similar form here is the S form, which you can see in the presentation. So, as Bhavyadeep has already introduced this slide, so we'll move on to the next slide.
Why we are comparing? Not because it's our ROWC assignment, but to know how two different designers have same inspiration of form yet executed two different designs.
Now we come to form and structure. We'll be talking about the S band the most. Like we see in the Sussex chair, the S band is incorporated in its arms and legs.
Whereas in the change launch chair, the S shape is in the back and the seat.
The S band the S band gives a comfortable structure and makes this chair look like an inviting recliner and makes it feel a little more cozy. Whereas
in the chase launch, the seat is composed of 12 bamboo sticks and gives a very comfortable and supportive design.
In this chair, Eileen Gray used metal rods to connect the two parts of the handles and made it a little more steady, and it can get folded into half for storage purposes.
On the other hand, Charlotte Perriand made a 4-leg cross in the downside of the chair to make the chair very comfortable and give a S shape to it.
To sum it up, the chairs are really steady and comfortable, as Charlotte Perriand and Eileen Gray both started their work in France. They both had a gap of 20 years, but yet they thought very similar for the S-shape structure.
Okay, so the different designs of these chairs contribute towards the different user experience. As you can see, there is a cushion headrest in the Sussex chair, and the curvy and the longer headrest in the Tokyo Chase Lounge chair. The holes in the Sussex chair make it really lightweight, and it makes the experience of moving the chair really easy. And one more feature that contributes in making the process of moving the chair really easy is the curved edges. This reduces the possibility of bruising in case we bump into it. The curve in the chaise lounge chair makes it really relaxing to sit on it, and it reduces postural deformities, and it also resets the spine. This chair can be used in beaches, poolsides, and also maybe our living room. The Sussex chair folds in half its depth. There is a video demonstrating the same.
As I said, this helps in storing the chair very easily.
And this makes the overall experience really convenient.
Now, moving on to material of both the chairs. These two slides, they point out which material is used where. And you can see there are cap nuts which are used here to join the to join the individual parts of the chair. And you can see the material is very basic. It's basic because Eileen Gray made this chair for herself and not for the public use. So you can see the materials like fabric canvas, metal rods, wood, they are just easily available materials and they are also cost effective. Whereas for Charlotte period, this chair she got inspired by the Japanese tradition. So you can see the use of wood and the use of only a single material while making like such a complex chair. So you can see that in there. So we would also like to acknowledge all of the resources that we used in our PPT. Thank you.